Hi Jelly fam, at the sake of trying to keep my videos shorter, we're going to go ahead and jump right into this tutorial. So the palette I'm going to be using today is this NYX Ultimate Edit Petite eyeshadow palette. This is like the rainbow one. And I'm going to start by grabbing the yellow shade in the palette. I'm just going to start packing that right in the center, right where the crease would be, like a little bit above that. And then I'm just going to blend it out just a little. Next, I'm going to dip into this peachy orange shade. I guess that first color could have technically been considered orange. It's like a yellowish orange. And I'm just going to put that right in here. Next, I'm going to dip into this hot pink shade, and that's what I'm going to focus right here. Next, I'm going to dip into this green shade. I'm going to be focusing that right in here. And then I'm going back in with a little bit more of that orangish yellow just to blend those together, because I feel like the yellow and the green have a little bit of a hard time kind of meshing together. And then I'm going to dip into the blue shade, and I'm just going to pack that on the outer corner. Then I'm going to take this purple shade and I'm just going to pack that right here on the outer corner. I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease. I'm only going to cut it to like right here. Next, I'm going to take this ABH glitter adhesive. The thing I love about this glitter is that it comes with like a little brush like nail polish does, and it makes it super easy to just apply it to your eye. Then I'm going to take these two glitters from Midas Cosmetics. The dark blue one is Royalty and the lighter one is called Tinkerbell. I'm going to start off with the Royalty shade, and I'm just going to pat that over my entire eyelid where we cut the crease. Then I'm going to take just a little bit of the Tinkerbell shade. I'm going to put that right on the center of the lid just to give it a little bit of a lighter pop. I feel like this is going to look weird unless I just go ahead and finish bringing it on out. So that's what I'm going to do. For my bottom lash line, I'm going to go in the same order as on the top. So I'm going to take that yellowish orange and I'm going to place that right in the center down here. I'm going to go ahead and apply some lashes and I'll be right back. For highlight, I'm going to go in with this Lunar Beauty Moon Prism powder in the shade Mercury. These are so beautiful. This is my new favorite highlighter. I'm also going to put that on my brow bone and on the inner corner. For lips, I'm going to go in with this gloss by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is called Peony. Then I'm going to go in with my Morphe setting spray. Okay, you guys, that concludes my tutorial on this look right here. If you like it, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this a thumbs up. Please go follow me on Instagram, and I will see you in my next one.